Good morning. How are you all? Welcome back to our English class. So today we are going to start from our English Bal Bharati textbook, Unit 2. Okay. And lesson number 1 in Unit 2 is a poem, Rain. You will all listen to what I am saying and you will recite after me. Okay. Let's start. Rain. The rain is falling all around. Repeat after me. Let us say it again. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. Say it again. It falls on the field and tree. Now what is the meaning of this? When it rains, जब बारिश गिरती है तो क्या होता है? It falls all around. All around means what? सब जगह पे बारिश गिरती है. Okay. It falls on the field and tree. What is the meaning of field? Field means खेत, शेत. ओके, खेत इन हिंदी, शेत इन मराठी. ट्री मतलब झाड़. ओके, सो द रेन इज फॉलिंग ऑल अराउंड. सब जगह पे बारिश हो रही है. एंड इट फॉल्स ऑन द फील्ड. कहाँ पे गिर रही है? इट फॉल्स ऑन द फील्ड. फील्ड व्हाट डिड आई एक्सप्लेन टू यू? व्हाट इज इट? इट इज खेत, खेत या शेत. ओके, इट फॉल्स ऑन द फील्ड एंड ट्री. ओके, it rains on the umbrellas here. Say it with me. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Okay. So this is a very simple poem. Hmm. So where else the rain is falling? First we saw it is raining on the field and the tree. And now what the poet is saying? The poet is saying that it is raining on the umbrellas here. Okay, and ships at the sea. Where are the ships? Where do we see the ships? We see the ships at the sea. So it is raining on the umbrellas here, with on the umbrellas which I am carrying, and also on the ship which is there on the sea. So it is raining everywhere. Now this short poem about rain is written by Robert Stevenson. Huh? Means this poem has been written by Robert Stevenson, and therefore he is called as the poet. The person who writes the poem is called as the poet. If he is a boy, if he is a male, okay. अगर वो लड़का रहेगा तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे? Poet. And if इट इज अ फीमेल यानी लड़की, लड़की ने अगर लिखा तो उसको बोलेंगे पोएटेस. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. सिंस रॉबर्ट स्टीवेंसन इज अ बॉय, we will call him a poet. So who is the poet of this particular poem, Rain? Robert Stevenson. Will you repeat after me? Very good. Say it again. Robert Stevenson. Would you like to recite the poem once more? It's a very short poem. Huh? Okay. Go back. Say with me. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. And it is written by Robert Stevenson. Okay. So now dictation words. RAIN, rain. Say it once more with me. RAIN, rain. FALLING, falling. Say it once more. FALLING, falling. AROUND, around. Once more. AROUND, around. FIELD, field. Once more. FIELD, field. TREE, tree. Once more with me. T-R-E-E, tree. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Once more with me. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. S-E-A-C. Once more. S-E-A-C. So these are the dictation words, and you will write these dictation words in your English notebook 2 times for the practice. Okay. So now can you see this picture? This picture is there in your textbook also. You have to name the things that you see in this picture. Okay, what can you see? Look properly at the picture. Yes, this is rain. R-A-I-N, rain. So what you can do in your notebook, you need not draw the picture. Just write down the things that you see in the picture, things in the picture. Like that you can give the heading. फक्त things in the picture असं heading द्या. There is no need to draw the picture. ये जो picture है वो निकालने की draw करने की जरूरत नहीं है. खाली things in the picture आप heading देके notebook में things के नाम आप list down कर सकते हैं 1 2 3 4 like that. So RAIN, rain. The next thing FIELD, fields. Okay. So as I was telling you, fields मतलब खेत. So देखिए इधर there are a lot of fields. One is field and many are fields. So say it once more. FIELDS, fields. What else do you see? Yes, tree. There are 2 trees, है ना? So TREES, trees. What else can you see? Yes, clouds. CLOUDS, clouds. And anything else you can see? Yes, umbrella. Umbrellas. Why I have written umbrellas? Because see, I am showing the pointer here. This is one umbrella and one more is over here. SHIP, ship. There is one more thing which I have missed. Sorry. Can you tell me? I have not written over here. It is the sea. SEAC. Look here. Look at this pointer. Sea. The ship is sailing in the sea. Okay. So SEAC. You can write that also. Okay. Now answer the following. Give the rhyming word for tree from the poem. Do you remember? What is the rhyming word for the tree? From the poem, huh? Not from outside. It was C. Tree C. Okay. Rhyming words means what? It sounds similar. Same असा similar sound येतो. एक same sound आता है दोनों का end में. So those are the rhyming words. So tree C. Now let's look at the next question. Where does the rain fall? Okay. Now here you have to answer from the poem itself. पोएम में जो लिखा है उसी में से आपको आंसर देना है. Okay. So what will be the answer? The rain falls on the field and tree. Okay. Say it once more with me. I will put the pointer here. The rain falls on the field and tree. So whenever this type of question is asked, you have to answer in a full sentence. Okay. Next one. Where do you see the ship? Yes, tell me the answer. Yes, you're right. We see the ship at sea. Say it once more. The whole sentence you have to say. Huh? We see the ship at sea. Okay, understood? So that's all for today. See you again. Bye. complete your work in your English notebook. Okay, you have to write down this question answers also. ये question answers भी आपको लिखने हैं. वो picture में जो नाम थे वो आपको लिखने हैं. One time only you have to write things in the picture and dictation words आपको 2 times लिखने हैं. Okay, understood? है ना? चलो then, see you. Bye.